Hello traders, great day in the markets today. I got into a position before I started making these videos, and just for the record, I just wanted to say I'm going to tell you what position that was. The position was LL, and I got into that position last week, and I just wanted to show you the results. I made a nice amount of money in that position. Now I did have a stop on the position, and it sold right under the round number 30. I believe 3201. 3201. So this is another thing about the markets that this is the reason I'm showing you this position. Maybe you may think I should feel bad. Maybe I should have sold up here. It was going up, it was trending up. Why not sell at the peak? Well, because you don't know what the peak is. That's what it is. It's I don't. Do I feel bad at all? No, I don't feel bad because I lost $2 over here. I don't feel bad at all for not selling it at the peak. I made a good trade. I made a good decision, and that's it. You put probability on your side. And maybe I wouldn't even have sold had I wasn't in the markets. I just put in the order, went somewhere and came back at the end of the day and saw that it sold. Had I been day trading, I would probably not have sold. I would probably have sold here at this moving average line of 50, which is where I sold, automatically. That's where the trailing stop took place. So now, would I enter the stock? No, the stock is, it violated this position. I made my money. I got a couple of points. I got about 3 points out of this one because I bought last week. And yes, it feels great. I made a nice little amount of money there. But I just wanted to show you that, and I wanted to show you, for the new traders out there that they leave the position, they think that they left too quickly. No, there's no such thing. If you're profitable, you're doing something right, and just keep doing it, and learn something from it. But no, I was up. Let's see, 33, 32. Yeah, I gave up a point. Because that's what the trail was set up to be. But anyways, so let's go over the trades that we're in. CSX. CSX started trending up a little bit. If you recall, I went into CSX at 86. So 55, 86. Yeah. Right over here, right before it went through this line. This is where I bought. CSX at. And look, it's trending up nicely. This is not a video about me setting my stops. This is more of a review video on how my trades are going. So CSX went above this line. Very important that it had gone above this line, and it's trending up nicely. So we're in the money here. We're in the money. We're up $1. That's big, man. If you had 1,000 shares, you would have been up $1,000 in about less than 3 days. So really I recommend you consider. Don't jump into my trades right away, but consider my recommendations. Do your own math, and just consider them. Look, this stock went up $1 in 2 days. Just saying. So the next one, ATHR. ATHR, I made a mistake in it before. I went in too quickly. I went in right around this point over here. I got all nervous and stuff. And I went in. I wanted to go in. It felt strong, but it wasn't strong. You can't let emotions. So this is the stock that I made a mistake in last week. I said I was only gonna buy if it went above this line over here, this level. If you reviewed my other videos, then you'd see the trend line. Let me see. Yeah, this doesn't really show it because it's not a daily trend line, but I'll show you a daily trend line. Yeah, I was supposed to only buy above this trend line, so I bought below it for some reason. And I bought it around here. What did it do? It went over, it went under, but thankfully it gapped up, and here it is. We're in positive territory now. So That's it. That's where we're at in ATHR. We're winning. We're in the money. Another BBY, Best Buy. Best Buy, we entered at $48. So $48. And right now, we entered at around 48 bucks. Right after the round number. Yeah, we were gonna enter here, but I said, nah, this is too close to the round number. So why don't we let it go over the round number, and then we'll purchase. So we bought at 48. At one point it was at 48.76. Someone would have flipped that right away. But I said, I'll wait. I'll break even. Best Buy looks really, really strong. Like it's gonna go higher. It looks like it. Again, can it go lower? Of course. Can I lose money in it? Maybe I'll lose a couple of bucks because I think I want to trend it up a little more. It feels very strong to me. So I'll hold it, but I'll tighten up the stop. So Best Buy, we went in. We're up about 32 cents on Best Buy, which had you had 1,000 shares, you would have made about 300 bucks. In a day, which it's good money. It's good money by all means necessary. And the other two that we're watching, CRUS, just hasn't gone above this level. It's trending up. It's looking good, but I wanted to go above this level before I take the trade. Let's see if you can see it better on the 15. No, you'll probably see it better on the weekly if you haven't been reviewing the videos. But I wanted to go above this level. I wanted to go past 11. I have a buy at 11.01. I'm gonna buy a nice number of shares there because that'll tell me that it's strong. See, I recommended it. I mentioned I was getting in here when it was right around this level. And look, it's gone up. It's gone up. I'm sorry. What am I saying? I recommended it. I put it on my watch list this day when it was right around this level. It was consolidating around this level, and I said no, I'm gonna wait until it goes above 11, and it hasn't gone above 11. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep an eye on it. If it starts doing nothing, if it starts going sideways, I'll take it off the list, get a better stock. So the last one I want to go over, I like to keep these videos short. I like to keep these videos short. It's Slab, same story. If it doesn't go above this level, I'm not getting into it. I'm not buying it. It's at 51.75 is my entry. Yeah, right here. I don't want it. If it doesn't go above this level, I don't want it. Right now, I'll show you really quickly here how it's consolidating. Horizontal. Look, it's here. You see a level here. And then, I mean, you can draw these yourself. With enough practice, you'll be able to tell these things right away. You'll be able to see what they are. And also, I'll draw another line over here just to clarify it a little more. So there it is. There it is. What it's doing is consolidating between these levels here. It's consolidating. It goes out to this level, touches this level. Guess what? It's gonna go right up to this level. I have a buddy that likes trading channels, so he uses the stochastics to confirm the channel. So here, see the stochastics, how it turns negative right when it comes down, and here it turns positive right when it goes up. That's a confirmation of a channel. And here, it starts going down. It goes below the channel. It's something like that. Don't quote me on this, but that's what he does. But as you can see, it's channeling. I don't like channeling stocks. I like to maybe in the future I'll trade like that. But you guys have any suggestions, feel free to send them over. I'll take a look at them. But as of now, that's not my strategy. That's not what I do, and that's not what I'm gonna do with this stock. And that's it. Simple. I'm not gonna take the trade unless it goes to 51.75, around there. That's where my entry is set on. So should you take it at 51.75? No. Do your own research, do your own stuff, and that's it. That's the review of the stocks that I'm looking at. There'll be more stocks added throughout the week. I look at fundamentals. I look at And technicals, fundamentals are very important to me. There's a lot of studying that goes into fundamentals. So if you have any questions, I received a few emails. I'm starting to receive emails now. So send me emails. I'll try to answer them as best I can. I'll try to help you out. It's free. It won't cost you a buck. So good luck in your trading. Happy trading. And I look forward to the next video. Look forward to being profitable. And have a great day.